Your phone feels hot, so the first thought is usually something is wrong. But warmth is not automatically a warning sign. A smartphone is a powerful computer sealed inside a thin case, with no cooling fan and very little room for heat to escape. Inside the phone, electrical energy is constantly being converted into useful work, and some of that energy becomes heat. The processor gets busy when you play a game, edit video, use the camera, or run artificial intelligence features. The display creates heat at high brightness. Cellular radios work harder when the signal is weak, and the battery and charging circuits warm up while power moves into the phone. Several of these jobs can happen at once. Imagine using turn-by-turn navigation in a sunny car while streaming music, maintaining a mobile data connection, and charging the battery. The processor, screen, radios, GPS receiver, and charging system are all active. Add heat from the sun, and the phone may become noticeably hot even though every component is working as designed. Fast charging creates heat because no charging system is perfectly efficient. Wireless charging usually wastes more energy than a direct cable connection, and that lost energy becomes additional heat. Using a demanding app while charging adds heat from both directions. The battery is receiving power while the processor is consuming it. The phone is not simply allowing its temperature to rise without control. Modern devices contain temperature sensors and protection software. When the phone becomes too warm, it may dim the display, slow the processor, reduce the charging rate, disable the camera flash, limit cellular performance, or pause charging completely. This is called thermal management. The slowdown can feel annoying, but it is the phone protecting itself. So when should you pay attention? A warm phone during gaming, setup, charging, or navigation is usually expected. A phone that becomes painfully hot during light use, repeatedly displays a temperature warning, shuts down, or remains hot after you stop using it deserves investigation. First, disconnect the charger and move the phone away from direct sunlight. Stop the demanding app. Remove a thick case if it is trapping heat, and let the phone cool naturally in a shaded, ventilated place. Do not put it in a refrigerator or freezer. Rapid cooling can create condensation, and extreme temperature changes are not friendly to electronics. If overheating keeps returning, check battery usage for an app running heavily in the background. Restart the phone, install current system and app updates, and test with a trusted cable and charger. A damaged cable, swollen battery, unusual smell, visible deformation, or heat that appears while the phone is idle is not normal. Stop using the device and contact the manufacturer or a qualified repair service. Heat also matters over the long term. Lithium-ion batteries naturally age, but high temperature can accelerate that process. Keeping a phone on a hot dashboard, charging it under a pillow, or repeatedly combining fast charging with heavy gaming can expose the battery to more heat than necessary. The useful rule is simple. Warmth during hard work is normal. Persistent or extreme heat is a signal to act. Your phone may slow down or pause charging before damage occurs, because protecting the battery is more important than maintaining maximum speed. The next time your phone feels warm, think about what it is doing. The processor may be calculating, the radios may be searching, the screen may be bright, and the battery may be charging, all inside a device thinner than your finger. Heat is often evidence of work. The pattern, intensity, and duration tell you whether it is ordinary or a warning.